friends, so today I'm going to be doing another Sephora perfume fragrance sampler video. I'm going to be covering the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Perfume Sampler. So this is what the sampler kit looks like. The price of this one is $65, and this one actually comes with 5 perfume samples and 1 mini sample of a lip product, which I don't think they've ever done before in one of their samplers before. So the price of this kit is $65, and you only get 5 perfume samples to try, but these are the deluxe size ones, so you're actually getting more of the product rather than just the small little vials that you typically would get in their perfume samplers. So the first perfume in the sampler is the Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine Absolute. This one is redeemable for the 1 ounce size, and the value of this one is $75. Since this kit is $65 and the perfume is redeemable for $75, that one is a higher value. There are also 2 other colognes that are redeemable for the 1 ounce size, so those 3 all will tie for the smallest size. Next is the Chloe Eau de Parfum Spray. This is for the 1 ounce, and this one is also valued at $75, a higher value, and again this one is also tied for the smallest size. Next is the Clean Reserve Celle Santal Eau de Parfum. This one is for the 3.4 ounce, and the value of this one is $95. So this one is the highest value and the largest size. Next is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Eau de Toilette. This is for the 1.7 ounce, and the value of this one is $84, a higher value. And then the final fragrance in this set is Miu Miu by Miu Miu Eau de Parfum. This is for the 1 ounce, and the value of this one is $68. So again, this one ties for smallest size, and this one is also the lowest value. And then of course you also get the Giorgio Armani Beauty Lip Maestro Lip Stain in color 501. This is just a mini sample, and I don't believe that you can use the voucher to redeem for the full size of this lipstick. I think it's purely just an added bonus. So I really like that Sephora is starting to kind of throw in beauty products as well as the perfume samplers. In the past they have done mascara samplers similar to the perfume ones where you get a few samples and you can actually redeem for full-size mascara. They do have samplers for like lip products and things like that, but none of those includes a voucher for a full-size one. So I'd definitely like to see more of that in the future. So here is a chart for the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Sampler. Since all the colognes in this set are a higher value, they are all denoted with green, and they are also marked with the smallest size, largest size, lowest value, and highest value. So like I always say, just choose whatever fragrance you like the most from this set, but I hope this video helped you decide if you were between 2 or if you wanted to know which perfume was going to get you the most bang for your buck. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.